Alright guys, I've already started removing the rear bumper cover. So what I've done so far is I've jacked the car up, I've removed both the passenger and driver's side inner wheel well. It's just a series of bolts along here, and 3 bolts that go into the rear frame. It's same on both sides. These screws here are a smaller Torx bit. The bolts on this side are a little larger because one of them is bolting into a support. So what I've done is I do this for every job I do. When I take stuff apart, I put the nuts and bolts in a bag and I name it, like this is the rear inner left, this is the rear inner right, and I also have 5 rocker bolts in this bag and 2 rocker bolts in this bag. Alright, to take the side marker out, so you take the nut off, you tilt it, and then you bring it up, and that brings the whole side marker out. Sounds like the bulb fell out. Let's take this off and see what that rattle is. Yeah. So there's a bulb in the socket, and there was a bulb, I never knew this, there was a bulb laying inside the housing. Unbelievable. Just sitting in there. So another thing, once we take these 2 nuts off, this is actually a metal brace in here. This goes all the way up through 96. They all have this. There we go. Now this whole side is loose. Way up in the back, there's 2 nuts I can get at. I've already taken off the 2 nuts that hold the antenna bracket in place. There's 2 nuts that hold the antenna bracket to the bumper cover. And then there is a 3rd nut on that antenna bracket that holds a support. And that support connects to the bumper cover and the antenna frame.